Hello guys, Let UI here. This is part of a crash course in Figma's autolayout. In this lesson, we are going to design a price and plan card using autolayout. We will be learning things like how to create and organize data, how to create a list of features, how to create a recommended UI card, and finally, how to make it responsive. Are you ready? Let's get started. Since we have covered most of the steps in our previous lessons, I have gone ahead and created some components we will be using for the design. Here we have a button, which was created using autolayouts and later turned into a component. We also have the benefits component, which consists of a check icon and a text fused together using autolayouts. Then finally, we have the various text we will be using to design the cards. Okay, let's go ahead and create our first pricing card. We will select the various layers and apply auto layout using Shift-A. Rename it and set the space between items to 4. Then we move on to select the list of features and align them beneath the header frame. Since we already have a component of the benefits layer, we will rather create an instance of it and duplicate it a couple of times. Then we will replace the text to suit the basic plan benefits. Next, select the list of benefits and apply auto layout using Shift-A. Rename it and select the frame together with the features layer and apply another auto layout. Having nested auto layout will help us set individual spacing for the frames. Select and create an instance of the button component by copying and pasting it. Place the button beneath the features frame. Duplicate the button and replace the text. Choose both buttons and use auto layouts. Let's select all the frames and apply a parent auto layout. Rename it and apply a fill color of white. Also set the spacing between items to 24. Horizontal and vertical padding should be set to 16. Double-click inside the frame and select features. Set the spacing between items to 16. Then double-click inside the same frame to select the benefits list frame and set the spacing between items to 8. It seems both buttons are not aligning properly. Let's fix that by selecting the button frame and setting the horizontal resizing to fill container. Next, select the buttons and set the horizontal resizing to fill container. Oh, but wait, the texts are top left aligned. We can fix that by aligning them to the center. Now let's apply responsiveness to the frames and their contents. Select the header frame and set horizontal resizing to fill container. Repeat the same process for the features frame and set the horizontal resizing to fill container. Now select all the contents inside the various frames and set horizontal resizing to fill container. Now the card is fully responsive. Let's duplicate it twice. The next step is to change the contents of the duplicated cards. I'm going to speed through this part. Select the second button. Set the fill color to white and the text color to this hex. Go ahead and add a stroke and set the color to a lighter shade of gray. Select all of the pricing cards, then apply auto layout. Rename it and fill it with your preferred color. Set the spacing between items to 35 and the horizontal and vertical padding to 50. Let's make the business plan card stand out. Select the business plan text layer and change the fill color. Also select the frame and set the color to this dark blue. Change the button color as well. With the pricing plan card frame selected, set the alignment to center alignment and also set horizontal resizing to fixed. Now when we resize the frame, the contents stay in the center. Select the business plan frame and set vertical padding to 32. This will cause the card to stand out. Also select the parent frame, which is the price plan card, and set the spacing between items to 24. Duplicate the frame and let's try the second form of resizing. Select the business plan card and the rest of the cards and set their horizontal resizing to fill container. That's it. Now when we resize, the content resizes together with the parent frame. Finally, we use auto layouts to create a responsive pricing plan card. In our next course, we will look at how to use auto layouts to create a masonry grid. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to stay up to date on all our future contents. See you in the next one. Bye.